channel. If you are new here, my name is Salif, and today we are going to dive into one of the fundamental concepts in Python programming: if statement and control flow. So what is exactly an if statement? In Python programming, if statement allow your code to make decisions based on certain conditions. So it is like asking a question to someone and doing something based on the answer you receive. So let's jump right in with an example. Now let's create a quick example about about football. So let's say we have a variable called player, okay, or player name. Let's say player name, and we can get the user input. We ask the user to type the name. We can say enter your name, okay, and then another variable to hold the number of goals scored. We can say goals and goals scored, okay, and we can say this is going to be an integer. So the name of the player is going to be a string, but this one is going to be an integer, so we need to convert the user input to an integer. So we can type in enter goals scored, okay, enter goals scored. So this is going to be, you can see here, so this is going to be an integer, so I can use in a Boolean expression because we cannot check the value of the string. So now we have two variables. So this is an integer, is the one we are going to check now in the if statement. We can say if the scorer now have scored let's say goal scored. So goal scored, let's say if they score less than 5 goals, so less than 5 goals, let's say 5 or equal or less than 5. So okay, so now here we have a Boolean expression which will result on true or false. This value, this Boolean expression, is going to be true or false. So, and every time we write an if statement, after the Boolean expression in Python, we need to use the colon, and then we press enter, and then we can see the indentation. So this means anything we write under this Boolean expression, if the Boolean expression is true, so the code below is going to be executed by the compiler. So let's say if they score like 5 or less than 5 goals, so we can say something. We can first bring up the player name. So we can say player name. We can say the player name dot upper. Okay, let's say dot upper in this case, and then we can say something. You need to improve your scoring, because 5 or less than 5 is not enough. So let's check another condition. So to check more than one condition, we can use elif. So basically with elif we can check as many conditions we want. So let's say they score more than 5 but less than 10, so which is okay. We can, in this case, we can print a different message. We can bring in the player name, so player name, and we can print something else, upper, and in this case we can say for example good, but you need to do good, but you need more goal, you need more goals. Good, but you need more goals. Okay, so let's say they score elif. Let's check another condition. Let's say the goal scored is let's say is more than 10, but or equal less to, let's say, 25. or let's say 20. Okay, 20. So if someone is scoring about 20 goal, more than 10 goal, so we can say pointer, we can say in this case we can say the player name again. Okay, let's say player name dot upper. Okay, so here I need to bring in this, so we can say player upper, and we can say, we can give a message, say yes, yes. We can say you are an average scorer, good, great. So let's say we have a very good player, and we can check this player is let's check how many goals this player is scoring. So goal scored, let's say, is more than 20, but is less than is not going to be, is less or equal to 30. So this player is not going to score more than 30. So we can say, we can print a different message in this case. So we can say, great, you are a top scorer. You are a top scorer. So else, if somebody is scoring more than 30, we can use the else to find the like very great players. We can print something different if somebody is scoring more than 30 goals. So in this case, we can say you are definitely, you are Messi. You are Messi for sure. Only Messi can score so many goals. You are Messi, right? So this is how we can use if statement to check a different condition in our code. Okay, now let's run the code and check some example quickly. So let's run this. So let's say we have a first player Kaká. Okay, play goal. Let's say 17. Yes, Kaká. Yes, you are an average scorer. Okay, because we run this. You know, this if statement is true. So let's run another one. Okay, and let's say in this case Messi, we pass Messi, and let's say he scored like so many goals, 58 goals. So yes, so this line of code is going to run because he scored more than 30. So everything above 30, so is going to run this, because if it's 30 or less than 30, this one will run. Okay, so let's run another time as quickly, and let's say for example Son, and he scored like 4 goals. So Son, you need to improve your scoring. So is this line of code running, because this boolean expression is true, so he scored 4 goals. Okay, so these are if statement in Python. Just want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you find out value on this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.